Hi everyone and welcome back to Peggy's Picks. Today we are going to make a broom for this autumn equinox. And I'm upstate and I like to go into the woods and find a cool stick to make the broom with. So look at this one. It's almost a broom already, but we're going to add all kinds of nature on here to create the broom for the autumn equinox. Okay, so I went foraging and I got some leaves and some goldenrod, little daisies. They're already starting to dry out, which is fine because they'll dry out naturally. I'll be leaving the broom on the back deck here. So here is our broom handle. You just need some string and some scissors, and then you could just put it all together. So here we go. Quick and easy. I'm starting with my leaves. Just tie them on here. You can put a little bit of rosemary on here, and that will symbolize protection when you're home with your broom. I make mini brooms, mini rosemary brooms, and give them out at this time of year. So there we go. We started. Add these. And of course we always do it with intention that this broom will sit in our homes as we celebrate the autumn season. It's good to have either rope or floral wire. We did have a bear sighting yesterday on our walk at the Wyndham Path. It scared me a little bit, but we're in his territory. And here we go. I'm just doing this really easy and simply. Look at that. There's our broom for the autumn equinox celebration. And we're going to put it right here by our gnome so that it sits nice and pretty. What do you think? I think you can do it. Broom. Now we're just days away for this perfectly balanced day of light and dark. And this is a reminder of that because the wildflowers will eventually dry out. So when you're making your broom, put an intention into it. May this broom remind me that it's time to go within and to hunker down for the season. And enjoy making it. Have fun with it. I always love to have something as a reminder that we live in a place where the beauty also changes into other beauty. So enjoy. Have fun. And we'll see you soon.